Hello friends, I Hemkanta Dade once again welcome you to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to explore the multiple choice questions, that is MCQs, on the well-known short story The Doll's House, written by Catherine Mansfield. This short story is prescribed for FYBA optional English, that is English General Paper First, Semester Second. Before explaining the MCQs, I request you to subscribe my channel by pressing the subscribe button for getting further notification. At the outset, let me focus on the short biography of Catherine Mansfield. Catherine Mansfield was born in 1888 and died in 1923. She was a well-known writer. She was born and brought up in New Zealand. She wrote short stories and poems under the pen name Catherine Mansfield. It means Catherine Mansfield was not her real name. Her real name was Kathleen Mansfield Murray. I spell Kathleen Kathleen Mansfield Mansfield Murray Murray Murray. At the age of 19, Kathleen Mansfield Murray left colonial New Zealand and settled in England. Friends, A Doll's House is a short story. It was written in 1922. It reveals the class consciousness that was faithfully handed down by one generation to another. See, here are some main characters and some minor characters. The Burnell's daughters, that is Isabel, Lottie, Kezia, and the Kelvy's daughter, Lil and Els, are main characters. Mrs. Hay, Aunt Beryl, and the Burnell's daughter's friends are the minor characters are presented in the short story The Doll's House. See, there is also a main character, that is a doll's house. See, the whole story of the doll's house involves around the particular doll's house. Friends, let me tell you the story of the doll's house. As we know that, as I told you that, there were two families described in the short story. The Burnell's family and the Kelvy's family. The both families represented two different classes, the rich class and the poor class. Friends, once the Burnell children or Burnell's daughters, Isabel, Lottie and Kezia, got a doll's house from Mrs. Hay. The daughters were so excited about the doll's house, so they decided to show it off to their school's friends. They invited all their friends except the poor girls, Lil and Els. In the school, these Kelvys means Lil and Els were not allowed to speak to the girls came from the rich families. Thus, the upper class people practiced class consciousness for maintaining the social hierarchy. See, among the Burnell's daughter, there was younger daughter of that particular family, Kezia, who was an innocent girl. So she decided to invite the Kelvis to see the doll's house. She invited them, and they came. When the Kelvis were watching the doll's house, Aunt Beryl came there and kicked the Kelvis out. At the same time, she scolded Kezia for inviting the poor girls. The Kelvis ran away from the big courtyard and sneezed through the white gate. Else Kelvy was happy that she had finally seen the doll's house. In this way, Mansfield presents here the social division and discrimination which are prevalent in the society. मित्रांनो, आपल्याला माहीत आहे की या कथेमध्ये दोन कुटुंबाचे वर्णन केलेले आहे. एक कुटुंब म्हणजे बर्नेल्स आणि दुसरं कुटुंब हे केल्विज यांचं होतं. हे दोघं कुटुंब भिन्न वर्गाचे प्रतिनिधित्व करतात. एक म्हणजे बर्नेल्स फॅमिली ही श्रीमंत वर्गाचं प्रतिनिधित्व करतं, तर केल्विस फॅमिली ही गरीब वर्गाचं प्रतिनिधित्व करतं. एकदा बर्नेल्स डॉटर्स किंवा बर्नेल्स फॅमिलीमधल्या मुली केझिया, इजाबेल आणि लोटी यांना मिसेस हे यांच्याकडून एक डॉल्स हाऊस मिळाले, म्हणजे बाहुलीचं घर मिळालं. मुली बाहुलीच्या घराबद्दल खूप उत्साही होत्या. त्यांनी ते आपल्या शाळेतील मैत्रिणींना दाखविण्याचा निर्णय घेतला. त्यांनी त्यांच्या सर्व मैत्रिणींना लील आणि एल्स या गरीब मुली व्यतिरिक्त आमंत्रित केले. शाळेत या केल्विस म्हणजे लील आणि एल्स या मुलींना श्रीमंत कुटुंबातून आलेल्या मुली हे वेगळ्या प्रकारची वागणूक देत होते. केझिया की जी बर्नेल्स फॅमिलीमधली सर्वात छोटी मुलगी होती, ती एक निरागस मुलगी होती. म्हणून तिने केल्विजला म्हणजे लील आणि एल्सला डॉल्स हाऊस पाहण्यासाठी म्हणजे बाहुलीचे घर पाहण्यासाठी आमंत्रित करण्याचे ठरवले आणि तिने आमंत्रित सुद्धा केले. जेव्हा लील आणि एल्स बाहुलीचे घर पाहत होते तेव्हा बर्नेल्स फॅमिलीमधले काकू की जिचं नाव मिसेस बेरेल होतं ते तिथे आल्या आणि केल्विसला बाहेर काढले, रागून बाहेर काढले. गरीब मुलींना आमंत्रित केल्याबद्दल तिने केझियाला पण फटकारले. केल्विज अंगणातून निघून गेल्या. शेवटी एल्सला डॉल्स हाऊस पाहिल्याबद्दल आनंद होतो. अशा प्रकारे या गोष्टीमध्ये दोन वर्गातील भेदभाव दाखवण्याचा प्रयत्न लेखिकांनी केलेला आहे. मित्रांनो, आता आपण ह्या शॉर्ट स्टोरीजमधील MCQजवर फोकस टाकणार आहोत. MCQज बघणार आहोत. सी नाव वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर द MCQज on the doll's house. The first MCQs is who penned short stories and poems under the pen name Catherine Mansfield. See, the options are A. Kathleen Mansfield Murray, B. Kathleen Mansfield Mary, C. Catherine Mansfield Murray, D. Catherine Mansfield Mary. The correct answer is A. Kathleen Mansfield Murray. The second MCQ. What is the real name of Catherine Mansfield? The options are A. Kathleen Mansfield Murray, B. Kathleen Mansfield Mary. C. Catherine Mansfield Murray. D. Catherine Mansfield Mary. The right answer is A. Kathleen Mansfield Murray. Now we are going to explore the third MCQ of the short story The Doll's House. That is, the lamb in the short story The Doll's House symbolizes for. Options are A. The working class, B. The poor class, C. Both A and B, D. The rich class. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. It means the lamb in the short story The Doll's House symbolizes for the working class and the poor class. Number 4. The short story The Doll's House is written by. Options are A. Henrik Ibsen, B. Catherine Mansfield, C. Anton Chekhov, D. Isaac Babel. The correct answer is B. Catherine Mansfield. Means who wrote The Doll's House? Catherine Mansfield wrote The Doll's House. Then number 5. Where is the short story The Doll's House set in? Options are A. England, B. Norway, C. America, D. New Zealand. The correct answer is D. New Zealand. Number 6. Who is the youngest of the Burnell sisters? Options are A. Isabel, B. Kezia, C. Lottie, D. Els. The correct answer is Kezia. Kezia is the youngest of the Burnell's daughters or sisters. Now we are going to explore the 7th MCQ of the short story The Doll's House. Who is the oldest daughter of the Burnell? Options are A. Isabel, B. Kezia, C. Lottie, D. Els. The correct answer is A. Isabel. Number 8. Which family is notoriously poor in the story? The options are the Kelbys, B. Burnells, C. Both A and B, D. None. The right answer is A. Kelbys. Kelbys family is a poor family in the short story The Doll's House. Now the MCQ number 9. What is the last thing the Kelby sisters say in the story? The options are A. I seen the doll's house, B. I have not seen the doll's house, C. I seen the lamb, D. I have not seen the lamb. The right answer is C. I seen the lamb. 10. Els clothes are compared to. The options are A. The nightgown, B. A cute dress, C. A blue dress, D. A black dress. The correct answer is A. The nightgown. Now the MCQ number 11. Who is the older Kelby daughter? Options are A. El, B. Isabel, C. Lil, D. Kezia. The correct answer is C. Lil is the older Kelby daughter. Number 12. Who is the younger Kelby daughter? The options are A. Lottie, B. Lil, C. Isabel, D. Els. The correct answer is D. Els. MCQ number 13. Which character is kind to the Kelvy girls or Kelvy daughters or Kelvy sisters? Options are A. Kezia, B. Lottie, C. Isabel, D. Ailes. The right answer is A. Kezia. The MCQ number 14. What object in the doll's house is a Kezia's favorite? The options are A. Lamp, B. Door, C. Window, D. Chair. The right answer is A. Lamp. Now we are going to explore the MCQ number 15, that is, where did the doll's house came from? Options are Mrs. Burnell, Mrs. Kelvy, C. Both A and B, and D. Mrs. Hay. The correct answer is Mrs. Hay. Means the doll's house came from Mrs. Hay. Number 16. What does the doll's house symbolize in the story? The options are A. Cultural privilege, B. Social privilege, C. Both A and B, D. None. The correct answer is B. Social privilege. See, thank you very much for listening my video. Thank you very much. Thank you.